Today we're making red pepper aioli. You can use this as a dip, a sauce, or even a sandwich spread. We start with roasted bell peppers. You can use store-bought or make them yourself. For that, roast them at 400 degrees for 30 minutes and then put them in a covered bowl to rest until they're cool and you can handle them. Then we remove the skin. Just peel it off. It comes off easily. And you're going to just separate the pepper and take out the seeds and the stem. And we're just going to use the soft flesh. Add the peppers to a food processor along with some garlic and mayonnaise and blend it up just until it's nice and smooth. And then we season with a little salt and pepper. Give it another whiz in the food processor, and that's pretty much it. Pour it into a jar, and you're going to want to refrigerate it so it can thicken up. And once it does, this is what you get. You can use this as a creamy spread on sandwiches, as a dip, even as a sauce on fish or chicken. It has a smoky, sweet flavor you're going to love. Enjoy.